Is there any like new innovations or new technologies out there that are kind of exciting you right now?
Digital's huge. I mean, 'cause digital is really changing the game in a lot of different ways. Things that traditionally you had to do a certain process or use a certain machine, you can get this rinky-dink digital printer that, you know, can spit it out no problem with no waste, no setup time.
Oh, wow.
Like, wow. And it's not just for the labels, because now for the sheet fed, the nameplate products, they have digital sheet printing machines as well. And it's come a long way. The durability used to always be a concern. Well, they've kind of been working on that durability piece too. Automation, definitely we have some of our friendly competitors that we hold in high regard are integrating automation, whether it be robotics, automated scanning equipment. They're building that in. So definitely it's a challenge, just like everyone else. Yes, different type of commodity, but we need the same level of technology involvement for the future, because certain positions you can't expect you're going to find individuals that are going to stay there for their careers.
Right.
They're just not. So either it's going to have to be a rotation or you're going to need technology to supplant it.